Sleep apnea kills thousands every year, but in 2015, someone invented a device that fixes it without surgery or machines. When you sleep, your tongue falls back and blocks your airway, causing you to stop breathing sometimes hundreds of times a night. This U-shaped device wraps around your neck with jaw supports that push your chin up, keeping your airway open. The genius part is it only activates when you lie on your back using gravity and a special mat to push your jaw forward. Made from flexible materials, you can roll over, toss and turn all night, and it adjusts with you automatically. The mat has special columns that sink under your head, but stay firm under the device, creating the perfect angle. When you roll onto your back, it automatically lifts your jaw again. No straps, no masks, no machines. Sleep apnea causes heart disease, high blood pressure, and daytime drowsiness that leads to thousands of car crashes. The device comes in two versions: one solid piece or adjustable sections that fit any neck size perfectly. A simple mechanical solution to a deadly problem: no electricity, no maintenance, just physics saving lives.